Hello and welcome. Today is the 17th of September 2021. I am your host, Maurice Rothwell, international trading coach here at TradersClub24 in Hamburg. And this is our morning market opening trade in the DAX. So if I switch my screen over, as usual, we have the MasterTemplate 4 and our SwissBox here in the top right-hand corner. The SwissBox is how we're going to activate and trade the market. So all of our trades are activated through this little box here, and simple as we just click this box lines on, and what comes up is these two lines in the chart, a red line and a green line. These represent two pending orders, the green one being a buy stop and the red one being a sell stop. The 12.5 points in the middle is our trap range. Ultimately, what we're trying to do here is trap the market within this 12.5 points before we expect a breakout, which now comes to our morning opening trade. Every morning in the DAX index at the market opening, 9 o'clock here in Germany, 8 o'clock if you're in the UK, we usually see a breakout of this small range here, this orange box. This orange box is our morning opening range. And usually at 9 o'clock every day, we're going to see a breakout from this range. So what we're going to do is we're going to place our box. Usually what we can do, we can just place our box directly over this range, like so. And we can change that to 15.5, as that's the size of the orange box there. And then simple as, once we've overlapped it, we click entry on. And then what we're waiting for now is for the market to fall into the trap. Once it falls into the trap, the two pending orders are activated by the SwissBox. And ultimately, we're just waiting for the market to make its move in or out of that range. This orange box is calculated every day. So every day is a different size. If I come out, yesterday's one is not there. However, we can see here, there's the box range from Wednesday, from Thursday, and as you can see, they're all different shapes and sizes depending on the market that day. This is the template that we use. It's called the TradersClub24 Open Range Breakout, specially made for the DAX here. Maybe I'm going to make a slight change here to my box. I'm going to put 12.5 back in, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to trade something called a C box. So that's where we place our box directly over the morning opening range. And as you can see here at the bottom, now we have our two pending orders. So the two pending orders are exactly the same. One is a buy stop, one is a sell stop. And as soon as the market breaks out of this range, what's going to happen, one of those is going to be triggered, the other one is going to be deleted, and a brand new pending order will be placed at the opposite side of that box. Using the SwissBox, we don't actually need to know in which direction the market is going, as this is a purely volatility trading tool. So ultimately, as long as the market is moving, we're trading or getting in and out of trades with a small profit each time. The idea here is not to aim to make huge profit trades, but to make smaller, consistent trades multiple times a day. And as you can see here, we have the opening, and there the market goes. So now we have that blue line here as we've triggered into a buy trade. And as the market moves up, this is our target. And then over here, you can see that we have a brand new sell stop waiting for us at the red line, should the market then want to move towards the bottom. Best time of day is the mornings, of course, to catch the opening volatility. And soon on the 20th, I think Monday next week, we will be having a big change in the DAX where it will move from the DE30 to DE40. Oh, we'll come to that later, probably on Monday. Yeah. Later today, in fact. Okay, so if you guys are here later today, anyone who's watching this a few days later on YouTube for our opening, yeah, there will be a recording of that available on the Power Hour. So coming very close to our take profit there. Let's take a quick look at our FTSE trade. So it's still ranging a little bit. However, let's go back over to the DAX. And as soon as it reaches this blue line, So as you can see, it's a very small profit trade. It's set at 0.076% of my total capital. However, anywhere between 5 and 15 trades like this every day is the perfect way for us to reach our daily targets. Definitely a huge benefit to all trading styles, as there goes the take profit. That's our first trade done for the day. Oh, let me come back over. Just go over to the daily. As you can see, first trade closed 0.076%, and that's our morning opening trade, guys. Thank you for watching. We'll be back again on Monday with our morning opening trade to see what's in store for the markets. Okay, so thank you very much. If you would like to test these out for yourself, remember to visit our website, www.tradersclub24.com. And click on 30-day free trial, sign up with your email address, name and number, and one of our trading coaches will be in contact with you shortly after. Failing that, we do have WhatsApp and Skype available at your request. So we look forward to hearing from you soon.